Hello friends, today I'm talking to all those students who are going to go to college and are worried. All those people who have passed out from college and are worried about their jobs, placements, and parents of these two people. So, what is very important these days are these four T's that we really need, and a fifth cookie with this T. The first T is your immunity. I'm here not only talking about your physical immunity, which is the greatest asset, the shell you will need for the next 2 years, because COVID-19 is not going to go away very soon. But I'm also talking about your mental immunity, not getting affected badly by these things. There's so many problems of depression and negative things, mental negative things happening to students and the parents and those people who are worried about their jobs and businesses. So maintain your mental and physical immunity. The second T is positivity. Stay positive come what may, because we are at least the lucky ones who are not suffering on the day-to-day basis like so many people on the road, the daily wage earners, the migrant workers. We are luckier than them. So look up. You are luckier than so many of them, and what you think you attract. So more positive you are, you will attract more positivity in your life. The third T is your learning agility. These days things are changing by the minute, and to stay updated, to stay ahead in the race against time, against your competitors, your fellow workers, it is very important to learn new things. For that you have to be very quick in learning whatever is happening around you. It may affect you, may not affect you, but you should know. So be generally aware. What you have to do, you already know. The fourth and the most important T is adaptability. Adaptability means changing with the changing environment. A lot of things have changed after COVID-19. The way businesses work, the way things work, the way people hire you. So a lot of things have changed and you have to adapt to change. And if you don't adapt, you perish. And the cookie with all these T's is your communication skills. Because whatever you become, whatever is your work area, whether you're in business, you're a doctor, manager, professional, politician, what are you doing 80% of the time? You're only communicating. So work on your communication skills, because that will make you stand out from the crowd. So work on your communications, and yes, but sadly but true, the most important part of communication skills is your English. So hone your English speaking skills, and we have so many apps and other things available to work on your English, and it is in your hands. Read in English, write in English, listen to English, speak in English, and most important, think in English, because that is the biggest problem. We think in some another language and then we translate it. So I hope you will try to imbibe all these four T's and the cookie, the communication skills, and you will win over this lockdown, this pandemic, and these difficult times and challenging times that are going to come ahead. Thank you.